Okay, something interesting. This thing, see where this says, this black cable here, where it says CL1760 is what it says there. That was wrapped around like a wire, like you know how you wrap like a tie wrap, a wire wrap. It was wrapped around, so there's actually no wire in there. When you look inside, it looks hollow. It was wrapped around this thing, this cable, right at the end. Use pliers to ply it out. There. That black cable, empty plastic, was wrapped around this. Right here. Wrapped around it like you're tie wrapping something. Okay? It wasn't connected to anything. Tie wrapping it like this. Like I'm holding it. And the end, there's nothing there. CL, where are you? CR. It has a little solder point. Gray little dot. Silver dot. I don't know if that was some kind of... I don't think the guy was lazy either. It maybe performed some kind of inductance, if I'm using that word right. I don't know why. And this, see that wire? See that little wire here jiggling? This was what was connected to, you have to use like a really pointy thing, metal thing, ply it out of that one socket. I use this. I think that's some kind of ground. And I'm gonna leave these two tubes on because they're connected to that thing in there. But that was really, that's kind of interesting why it was like that. Okay, and it says G2 screen. This white tube. See the connecting point there? Those two little wires like fangs. I need to get this to focus better. That says a G2 screen. Okay.